freaking delicious. So this is what real meat tastes like.
With no hormones added.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow.
I haven't tried it yet.
We're missing out.
So now I'm gonna dig in to the beef patty. Looks really good. And when it came out of the gourmet, it was really juicy. Oh my god. That's really good. It's hot. It's really good.
These vegetables right here, let's see how they taste. The seasoning is right on point. It's really good. Nice and tender, not soggy at all.
The meat has a little kick to it after a while, and it's like a really good one because all the seasonings come together at the end.
Yeah, the seasonings, they were really good. It has a lot of tremendous amount of flavor, and I didn't even use a lot of seasonings.
10 out of 10 would recommend.
Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna show you how I am going to prepare this organic beef that I bought at Walmart, and I showed you guys in my grocery haul. So you want to get this ready. You want to have a bowl so you could put your meat in. You want to have some nutritional yeast. You want to have some steak seasoning. You want to have some black pepper and some avocado oil. En inglés les voy a poner descripciones de las cosas que necesitan para preparar su carne roja orgánica. I bought this at Walmart. I'm using this broccoli and cauliflower I bought at Walmart. And all of this product, these two products are probably going to cost you under $10. So you could get at least, I want to say, this is 4 servings in here. So I'm going to try to make 4 servings with these two under $10, which is not bad.
This smells really good.
Huh?
Smells like really good.
That's what gives your meat that flavor. Y'all don't know about this. Y'all don't know about this. Y'all better try it out. Let's start. This is my first time trying this meat. I'm excited because it's all organic. This is all organic meat and it's grass-fed, so I am excited about that. It's 93% lean, 7% fat. And that's another good thing. And it's really cheap because I've seen like grass-fed meats like at Aldi's or at Whole Foods, and they cost more than the $5. They're probably closer to the $10 price. So I'm actually gonna make a 4 serving meal under $10, which is amazing. So that's a really cool thing about Walmart. Another cool thing about being on the keto diet is that you don't really have to look at you don't have to really be like looking at the percentage of fat of the meat is no longer an issue. So you can save money because most meats that I'm gonna do is add this steak seasoning. I got this at Aldi's. It does have salt in it, so that looks about enough. Next thing I'm gonna add is the nutritional seasoning. Okay, next thing I'm gonna add is black peppers seasoning. I go crazy with the black pepper because I love black pepper. I'm in love with black pepper. Okay. Next thing you want is 1 tablespoon of this olive oil.
Avocado.
Oops. Avocado oil. I did that on my last video too. I'm sorry. So, 1 tablespoon of this avocado oil. So you want to get this here. Yes, I'm not preheating it or nothing because I am going to put this in the hornilla. It saves me a lot of cooking time by doing so. Next thing you want to do here is just mix everything evenly. You could wear gloves. It's completely optional if you want to wear your gloves or not. I just use my hand. I washed my hands before, so I'm pretty good. So once you have everything mixed up, I'm gonna add 1 secret ingredient. This secret ingredient is Whisker sauce.
Whisker sauce. Worcestershire sauce.
Something sauce. You know, Whisker sauce. How do you say this?
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire? Worcestershire sauce. Whatever. It's called something sauce. And then once you put a little... So, once you got your meat smelling good, all nice and prepared, I'm gonna make some patties out of this, you guys. Just... We're gonna make 4 of these 4 patty shakes. Like that. So this is the 15-minute mark. This is what one side of them looks like. So you do have to flip them because I put the aluminum foil on here. If you don't put the aluminum foil, I'm pretty sure you don't have to flip them. So at the 15-minute mark, just flip them around, put it back in there, and press play. That's gonna be 4 servings. You want to just turn it, toss it around. These already have, because they're frozen vegetables, they already have 15 milligrams of sodium, so I'm not going to be adding any more sodium to this. What I'm going to do instead, I'm going to use this Table Blend salt-free seasoning and add a dash of this. You could also add any other salt-free seasoning that you would prefer. Obviously, if you buy organic vegetables or raw vegetables, non-frozen, they're not gonna have a sodium content in it, which is better. But I just bought this because honestly, it's on a budget and I'm still getting my vegetables that I need to be eating, but on a budget. And another thing I like about this is I don't have to wash my vegetables, which takes time and stuff like that to wash and cut, and So if you're just meal prepping really quick, this is perfect to get your vegetables in. Is to cook both the vegetables and the meat. So these are my 4 meal preps. On the keto diet, they are the 4 meal preps that I will be using post-workout. And they're under $10, which is really good, because if you go buy something out, you're gonna spend at least what, $6, $7, even $10 for just one meal. And I made 4 meals under $10.